In this short video, I am going to show you how to add PDFs to a WordPress site. This site is a WordPress site using the Divi theme, but the process can be very similar no matter whether it's a WordPress site or not, and if you're using the Divi theme or not. So since this is a WordPress site, we're going to go to the website.com/wp-admin. That'll take us to the login screen. We'll log in. And then I'm going to go ahead and open my pages up in a new window right here. Here is your media library. So you can click Add New. You can find your PDFs in your file folder on your computer. Drag and drop them into your media library so they're in there and ready to go. And that'll be that. So I'm just showing you how to do it in this one. So we'll come here, and here's all the PDFs that I have previously loaded into this site as I was building it. So for this example, these are MSDS safety data sheets for chemicals. It's required by the state. So that's why there is the need for this on this website. So that's what's going on. And to accomplish this, we're going to go to the page. So right here, so we're under lawn fertilizer, MSDS sheets right here. And we'll click Edit. So since this is Divi, we have our Divi builder right here. I'm going to click on the computer icon so we can actually see the front end. So here we go. We have all this, and then here's the list of links for all the safety data sheets right here. So what you would want to do is just click in here on that little gear right there, and then get out of that. You don't want to be looking at that. So you could just come down here to the bottom potentially. If you notice, I clicked on that and it's blue, so I'm like inside that link right now. We don't want to do that. I just hit the right arrow and get that blue off the screen. I'll hit enter, so now we're on the next line. This is a lot like using any text editor you are used to. With Divi, you have the option to resize the screen. You can pin it to the left, stuff like that. But say new MSDS, whatever, I think that's it. MSDS, there you go. New MSDS, so there we go. So what you do is you would highlight this. You would come up here to your link. So insert a link. And now you can put your link right in here. So this is where you would come back to your media library. Say we were going to link to this one right here. I'll click on Edit. And we can grab the file URL right here. Everything that is on the internet, such as like a video that's on a website, on the server, meaning not embedded from YouTube, images, PDFs, this kind of stuff. These are, on their own URL. So if you go to this URL right here, I'll copy that and just throw that in here, for example. Boom. So premierlawnservices.com/wp-content. It's in the uploads folder, and then Razorburn was the file name that I uploaded this with. So it'd be a good idea to name your files on your computer, what they are before you upload them, because that will be displayed in the URL, and that is something Google will reference. And if you have a file name that makes sense, it'll improve your SEO, stuff like that, make more sense to Google and whatnot. So I'm right there. Remember, we just clicked the link after highlighting it, paste it, and then what I'm going to want to do here is go to link options, and then I'm just going to say open in a new tab. So open a new tab, update, and that's really it. That's it. So new MSDS, and it has the link on it. If I disable this link, remove the link, yeah, so everything's just styled like that because this is just a list of that, but it's not a link right now. Highlight it, make it a link by pasting that in. To open in a new tab, check that box right there, update, and now it's a clickable link, and that's that. So you just save, check out of there, and then you'd come down to update, or you could go up to save. They do the same thing. And then you'd be live with your new PDF added to this page. You can just click in here. So I'll just do that here, show you another way you can edit stuff, but just get that off the page because we don't want that. Click save, and that's really it. So I'd recommend whenever you hop on your website, if there is a little circle icon, it's like a circle with arrows up here, it's saying you have updates. You can also look for updates right here, and then just update your theme first, then your plugins, and then if WordPress has an update, update it last. I would recommend check with me if WordPress needs an update to make sure that's safe. But Divi and the plugins, we don't use a whole lot of plugins for one, and Divi is really good with their updates, so there's never had a problem in years updating, minus a handful of times, but on this site right here in particular, should have no problem updating. And if you ever do break something when you update, since I believe we're hosting this site, we back our sites up 3 times a week, so we could always roll back, or you could come back here. If the Divi update messed it up, you can roll back your Divi version right here. So Divi to updates is how you get here, and you could roll back if need be. But like I said, we have backups. So hopefully that was clear. It is really a relatively simple process. Obviously, I'm very familiar with WordPress, so it's nothing to me, but I like to, enable my clients to be able to do this kind of stuff. So hopefully this helps you out, Jim, and you're able to do this. If you have any questions, obviously let me know, or leave them in the comments of the video. Thanks so much for watching, and holler at us if you need some web work. We're really good at it. Bye.